everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up the new iPad. This is the 9th generation iPad, which was just released in September. It comes in two colors, silver and space gray. I got the space gray. It starts at $329 for just the Wi-Fi version, and starts at $459, I think. Yeah, $459. Take two. And starts at $459 for the Wi-Fi and cellular model. And I'll put all of the capacity options here. Now let's open it. And here's the box. It just has the Apple logo and the side view. The reveal. Let's see what's in the box first. First up, there's the I was about to say inflammation. I'm a nurse. I was about to say inflammation instead of information. Wow. First up, there's the information packets and the SIM card removal tool. Then there's the lightning charging cable. And it comes with the brick too, so that's nice. So to charge the iPad, I'll plug the USB-C side into here. And I'll plug this side into the iPad. Or if you already have an iPhone, you can just use your iPhone charger to charge it because they both have the same lightning port. Now let's check out the iPad. Here it is. It's really light. It's only like 1 pound. And then here's the front. You can tell it still has the Touch ID there. Big moment. Gonna turn it on. I'll push the home button here. And then I'll go through some of these sign-in screens. Then it says to bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. So I have my iPhone here, and this just popped up, so I'll follow these prompts. I just typed in some passcodes, and now it's finishing up. I'll set up Touch ID. Now it's all set up. Basically, everything from my old iPad is now on my new iPad, and that took like 5 minutes. iCloud really making that easy. And for some details, it has a 10.2-inch display, the A13 Bionic chip, and they say it has up to 10 hours of battery life on Wi-Fi, so that's pretty good. That's basically all day. And there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, which is a big improvement from the previous model. Is that a headphone jack? Wow, surprised to see that. So they kept the headphone jack, and that's on the top left of the iPad, and the power button on the top right, and the volume buttons are also on the right. On the bottom there's the home button, which has Touch ID, speakers, and the lightning port for charging. And here's the camera on the back. And now I'll go into my settings to make sure I have the most updated software downloaded. I'll go into the Notes app. And I'll put some of the updates for the Notes app on the screen here. And you can have multiple apps open at the same time with this iPad. There's 3 tiny bubbles at the top, so if you click that, and then once you click it, it shows these 3 options. So I'll click the left. And now it's prompting me to choose another app, so I'll choose Safari. And now here it is, split screen. Now I can search for something and write a note at the same time. And for some other important things to know with this iPad, if I'm ever having issues, like something isn't loading, for example, I always close out of all my apps. And to do that on this iPad, all I do is I double click on the home button here and swipe up. And if that doesn't work, then I'll try turning the device off and then on again. And to do that, I'll hold the power button down here and hit slide to power off. And if that still doesn't fix it, then I try hitting the power button on the top and the home button on the bottom and hold them down at the same time until I see the Apple logo. Like that. And that's basically how to force restart it. Doesn't always fix the problem, but those are some of the things that I always try first. Another good thing to know is how to take a screenshot. And to do that with this iPad, you can just click on the power button and the home button at the same time. Like that. Next up, I'll connect my AirPods to my new iPad. All I need to do is click that button on the back of the case and hold it down. And when I open it up, it has this white light that starts blinking, and all I need to do is hit connect. And that's it. Alright, that's the new iPad, and these are my thoughts. I have to say, I would have really liked to see wireless charging and Face ID with this iPad. And it also would have been nice to not have those black bars on the top and bottom so it fills the full screen. But they have all those on the iPhone, so hopefully that's all coming soon to the iPad. Overall though, the price is pretty great considering the 64GB model starts at $329. So in my opinion, you can still get a lot for a pretty decent price. That's it for today. That's the new iPad. Comment below what you hope to see on the next iPad. I'd love to know what you guys think. And make sure to check out my favorite iPhone apps video and my how to set up an iPad video, since those basically cover everything I do with all my new devices. And I'll put the links to both of those videos in the description below. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye.